In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Zoho Books API key. Even though Zoho Books uses OAuth 2 rather than a traditional single API key, the process you'll follow gives you the secure authorization code you need to obtain access tokens for API calls. I'll walk you through each screen and explain what to choose so you can get up and running with confidence. Start by going to the Zoho API Console. Make sure you're signed into the Zoho account that has access to your Zoho Books organization, and double-check you're in the correct data center for your account region. If you're new to the console, you'll land on a simple dashboard. Click Get Started. This initializes the developer area so you can register a client and generate credentials. Don't worry, this doesn't change anything in your Books data. It just opens up the tools you need for API access. Next, choose Self-Client and click Create. The Self-Client option is designed for scenarios where you, as the account owner, want to authorize access without building a full public app. It's perfect for testing, for server-side scripts that you control, or for connecting internal tools. Creating it takes just a moment. At this point, you might be asked to verify your account. Complete any prompts you see, such as confirming your identity via email, an authenticator, or another verification method. This is a standard security step to ensure only authorized users can create API access. Once verified, go to Generate Code within your Self-Client. This is where you'll create the short-lived authorization code that can be exchanged for access and refresh tokens. Think of it as a secure, one-time pass you'll trade in for longer-term credentials. Now, enter the scope and the time duration. The scope defines exactly what parts of Zoho Books the API can access. For example, you might choose read-only access to invoices or broader access if your integration needs to create or update data. Always apply the principle of least privilege and include only what you truly need. The time duration controls how long the authorization code will remain valid before it expires, so pick a window that gives you time to complete the exchange without leaving it open longer than necessary. Add a clear scope description, then click Create. The console will generate your authorization code. Copy it immediately and store it securely, as it's time-limited and sensitive. From here, follow Zoho's official documentation to exchange that code for access and refresh tokens, and never share these credentials publicly. That's it. You've generated the secure authorization code you need to enable Zoho Books API access.